SRC did the accommodation and piping upgrade plus ballast water treatment system installation. 130 workers were involved here on board, and more than 200 cabins were renovated, approximately 7 kilometers of piping renewed.
We are here on the pipe-lay vessel Solitaire of all seas. Used to be for a period of time the biggest pipe-lay vessel in the world. With regards to the cooperation with SRC, we are still really happy with the way things went and the progress that was made. And I think we are really happy with the way things were going and the progress that was made and the deadlines that were met.
The greater the challenge, the greater the opportunity for growth. We love challenges.